What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. We are back with another trading ideas video. But before we get into the video, we're just gonna go over the trades that we were looking last week to see how these trades play out. The first one was NZD and I was telling you guys that I was waiting for price to retrace to this level to look for sells. But as you can see, we retraced there and then we exactly sold. You see this candle, we sold all the way here. So if you had on the 1 hour time frame, you could really got an entry on this trade, on this short opportunity around here, and you could have been easily getting the 1 to 2, 1 to 3. So this is a trade that I said on our last video, and it's played exactly how I was looking at it. Next one was euro NZD. That one didn't really play out the way I wanted it because we had this level and we had this break, but this was kind of like a reversal candle because it was really bearish engulfing, and I was waiting for price to break above again here to look for longs, which didn't happen. So we end up didn't taking any trade on this pair. The next one is silver, and I was telling you guys that I was looking for price to reclaim this level, which we did, and I personally took a trade here and I got a 1-to-1, just a 1-to-1, and I had my stop loss like this and just got a 1-to-1 on this level. But this week, this is part of the pairs that I'll be looking, and for silver, what I will just be looking is something like this. So a break above this level. If we break confidently and we retest it, I'll be looking for longs on this personal and this pair personally. So silver, I'm looking for something like this for longs. So if we can have this, and you can just put your stop loss the bottom here, and you can easily get a 1-to-4. So this is a pair that you should keep in your radar. You can see that on, if I go into the daily time frame, we are clearly on the uptrend. So I know this did not hold, but you can look at it like this, like a big lower low here and looking for a higher low here and looking for another higher high. So silver, I'm still looking for longs, so that's why I am always having this in one of my pairs. And also you can see on the daily time frame, this is a really bullish engulfing candle right here, and also you can see this also a really bullish daily engulfing candle engulfing all these. So this is really primed to go up, and I think that next week we can move up towards this first contact. But the ultimate profit TP, the max TP, gonna be all the way to the high, but that one you're gonna be looking for something to break like this and look for longs. So silver to the upside for this week, and I think just wait for a break and a retest with price confirmation, and you can look for long position. The next one gonna be gbpnzd. I'm already in this trade. You can see that we are clearly on the downtrend right here on the 4 hour, you can see, and then we break again, and this kind of like a retest. So I'm looking for price to come all the way to retest this level before we can maybe start going to the upside. So we just go into the 1 hour to tell you guys how you can look for an entry here. Personally, if price can come back to retest this level, I think you can get the entry and just take price to the downside here. But I'm already on this trade. I got in on this trade on Friday at the retest here, so I'm already on this trade. But I think you can still go short on this position, this pair, and maybe take price all the way down here. But my TP gonna be this low. Maybe if we break, I might look to add to my position. So uh, gbpnzd. I'm looking for short for next week. The last pair that I'll be looking at gonna be euro AUD, and you can see that this can be like a inverse head and shoulder pattern right here. You can see, and we break the neck here. So what I'm just looking is a retest, so we can take price all the way down here. So just like a neckline of the head and shoulder right here, you can clearly see it. So if we break, I think looking for short on the if we retest, looking for a short on this level will not be a bad idea. Here I wanted to take a shot, but we did not really touch the, I wanted a deeper pullback. And if I take my fib or go like this, that's like the 38. If we can pull to the 50, at least the 50%, I think taking short position will not be a bad idea. So these are the three pairs that I'll be looking for trade next week. The first one, Euro AUD. The second one, short GBP NZD. And the third one, silver longs, or the ticker symbol is XAGUSD. So keep this pair in your radar, and I hope you have a wonderful Thanksgiving week. Stay tuned and have a wonderful time with your families and friends. I will see you in the next video. Take care.